You know your house, every room, every hallway, every door, until one day you find a door that wasn't there before. It happened on a Sunday. Quiet, nothing unusual. I was cleaning, moving furniture around when I noticed it. A door at the end of the upstairs hallway. Plain, white, like it had always been there, except it hadn't. I know every inch of this house, and there was never a door there. I stared at it for a long time, hand on the knob, listening. Nothing. No breeze, no creaks, just a heavy silence pressing against the door frame. Finally, I opened it. Inside was a hallway, narrow, claustrophobic. The walls were different, darker, almost rotting. The air was freezing cold. There was no light switch, just the faint glow of something far down at the other end. A pulse of red, like a heartbeat. I should have turned back. I should have slammed the door shut and pretended I never saw it. But I didn't. I stepped inside. The second my foot crossed the threshold, the door slammed shut behind me. I spun around. The door was gone. Just solid, endless wall. I was trapped. I started walking. The hallway seemed to stretch on forever. The floorboards groaned under my steps. The walls closed in tighter with every breath. I heard whispers, too soft to understand, but they were getting louder, calling me forward, begging, mocking. And then I saw it. At the end of the hall was another door, but this one wasn't closed. It was wide open. Inside was my bedroom, except it wasn't right. The bed was soaked, sheets shredded. The walls were covered in deep, angry scratches. And lying on the bed was me, eyes open, mouth stitched shut, chest rising and falling, barely. The moment I stepped closer, the other me blinked and smiled.